What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Klar for those who are new. And in today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing some things that I've got for Kyron for the summertime. Again, like I told y'all, we are officially homeschooling. I'm really excited. And I just want to show y'all some stuff that I got. It's not a lot, but it's just some new materials that I will be implementing and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all stick around. All right, so this is some of the stuff that I unboxed already out of the Amazon packages. I will put the link in the description box below of everything I've got off Amazon. But this is grade level B. I believe in one of my other previous videos, I showed you the material where he had this same stuff, but it was for level A. So I got that. We got some arts and crafts stuff. Amazon, I believe this was like 15 bucks. I really could have got this from the dollar store, but I just thought it was cute. I went ahead and ordered it. So I've got this positive affirmation for Black kids. I thought this would be a great addition to add because it encourages self-confidence, self-esteem, grow resilience, and encourage self-love. So I think all parents should invest in a book. They do have other books like this that does cater to all races. So I just thought this was something that'd be nice to have. So this is really cute. And this for the good old Texas citizenship curriculum part, I've got the Texas Chronicle Education Guide. As you can see, it has K through 12 cross-curriculum activities for teaching this state history. So I thought this was pretty cool. The pictures look really good. We thought this was nice. And I've got this Goal Start Time, Money, and Fraction book. Some activities he'll be doing out of here as well. The colors are pretty bright, so I like that. Look like it's very interactive. Very nice. Very colorful. And then the all-in-one curriculum by Comprehensive and Curriculum Basic Skills. This book is really thick. See the thickness. I believe you'll be able to get a lot of use out of it because instead of him writing in the book, I can make copies in print. Is reading, math, reading comprehensive, English, writing. This book is very colorful as well. It's heavy too, y'all. Like, look at this. I believe he gonna go through this just fine. Every day he'll have something to do. It's just like practice stuff. So I love that. Definitely the writing part. Everything has writing in here. It's perfect. Again, I'll put the link of where I got all the stuff from in the description box below. Now, this is some stuff that just came from Kyron classroom when I went to go get his stuff. So he still has some markers left. his writing book from the class. Can never have too many pencils. I'm sure we're gonna go through all of these really fast. He got some notebooks that he haven't even used yet. So he's definitely gonna be getting some writing done in here. His little crusty dusty crayon box from class. And she had all this stuff in a HEB, y'all, bag, grocery bag, the brown paper bag. These are his headphones that he was using in class. He have some wireless ones now that he loves. I'll show you guys those too. Some glue. Here go a little bit of supplies. Definitely gonna need a lot of that. Some erasers. Some other book. His social study book. He had work done in here. This is from school. See what else he got in here. His handwriting book. Been doing some stuff in here. His science book. All kinds of stuff in here. It's all bent up. And some other book. Again, this is stuff that came out of his classroom, stuff that he had in there. So yeah, and oh, in the background, as y'all can see, this is his mattress that also was delivered yesterday. That's gonna go to his new bed that I'm actually still waiting on. So all this is gonna come in another video because I'm remodeling his room to create space and homeschooling space. So I can't wait to show you guys that as well. So when the rest of that come in, y'all will be getting to see that. But this video was just dedicated to pretty much all the stuff that he got, that I purchased and that he got from his school. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's all the stuff. And yeah. All right, so this wraps up the end of the video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And until next week, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.